check engine light and you're seeing code P0013, that means the computer can't properly control the B camshaft actuator on bank 1. That's the exhaust camshaft. That's usually an electrical problem, not a mechanical one, and most times it's easier to fix than it sounds. So hit subscribe and let's break it down. P0013 means your car can't open or close the exhaust camshaft timing actuator on bank 1. The camshaft actuator adjusts valve timing to improve power and efficiency. But if the circuit is open or faulty, the timing can't change, and your engine may run poorly or throw off emissions. But what causes an actuator to stop working? The actuator is controlled by a small electrical solenoid that opens or closes with oil pressure. When the computer sends a signal to the solenoid and gets no response or sees an open circuit, you get code P0013. So, let's go through what could break the system. Faulty camshaft position actuator solenoid, exhaust bank 1. The cost to fix is $40 to $200. Bad electrical connection or broken wiring, cost $0 to $30 if you do it yourself. Dirty or low engine oil, cost is $40 to $150 for an oil change. Faulty ECU, which is a rare one, but costs $400 to $1,200 to replace the ECU. Here's the best way to approach it. Check engine oil level and quality. Top it off or do a full change if needed. Inspect the actuator's connector. Unplug and check for bent pins, corrosion, or oil inside the plug. Test the solenoid, or just replace it. It's usually held by one bolt and is easy to swap. Use your Carista scanner to clear the code and monitor the camshaft timing. If the code doesn't come back, problem solved. With Carista, you can pull the exact fault code, reset the check engine light after the repair, monitor live camshaft adjustment data, detect if the timing is still not responding properly. This saves you from guessing and replacing parts blindly. If P0013 returns after oil and solenoid checks, it may be a wiring issue deeper in the harness, faulty camshaft timing gear, clogged oil passage to the actuator, ECU failure, rare but still possible. A mechanic can run advanced tests to verify signals and voltages throughout the actuator control circuit. So to wrap up, start with the oil, inspect or replace the actuator solenoid, check wiring and connectors. Use Carista to confirm your fix. If needed, get a pro to dig into the wiring or timing issues. Comment below if P0013 gave you trouble and what fixed it on your car. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear and simple car fix videos. Catch you next time.